let's discuss a few questions from the Telegram quiz series. We'll start with the Conjunctiva quiz. So question number 1 that I wanted to discuss was about pterygium. The question said all of the following symptoms may be seen in a case of pterygium except. So we had options of redness, dryness of eyes, diplopia and photophobia. See, dryness of eyes is possible because the pterygium, when it has invaded on the cornea especially, it even otherwise the irregular surface, it disturbs the distribution of the tear film. Okay, so that can cause dryness of eyes. Then redness when the pterygium gets inflamed. Diplopia when there is a restriction, when it because it is a fibrovascular growth. So when the fibrous part is growing down on the medial side, it can cause a restrictive squint and therefore diplopia. So even that is possible in case of pterygium. I hope all of you know what is diplopia. Diplopia is double vision, right? So that is restrictive squint. See, photophobia is not possible with pterygium. So that is the answer. So the first question was all of the following symptoms may be seen in a case of pterygium except. So except photophobia is the answer. Now the next question that I would like to discuss is about the maximum density of goblet cells are found in. So basically goblet cells are specialized conjunctival epithelial cells, okay, specialized conjunctival epithelial cells which are secreting mucin, which is the innermost layer of the tear film. Now where are they present? Obviously epithelial cells, meaning they are in the conjunctival epithelium. Now which quadrant of the conjunctiva? So it is present maximally in the inferonasal bulbar conjunctiva. So one bulbar conjunctiva in the inferonasal quadrant, followed by palpebral conjunctiva. So I think we had options: limbus, superotemporal bulbar conjunctiva, inferotemporal bulbar conjunctiva and palpebral. So there should have been a confusion between inferonasal and palpebral if you had known a lot, but luckily not many of you knew that palpebral is also there on the list. But maximum, the answer is inferonasal bulbar conjunctiva. Okay, now suppose it's like an A and B kind of a question. So inferonasal bulbar conjunctiva also has a lot of goblet cells and also palpebral conjunctiva. Okay, but if you have to choose between the two, it would be inferonasal bulbar conjunctiva. Now that is important because if you're going to check for goblet cell density, where will you get your specimens from? Conjunctival impression cytology you will take from the inferonasal bulbar conjunctiva. Alright, so the rest of the 8 questions I will be discussing on the EyeMentor app. Is a free discussion. So just ping on the EyeMentor app on the chat box that you want to join the free discussion of EyeMentor quizzes. You will be given access. So the rest of the questions we are going on a live discussion starting at 10 p.m. tonight. So we will follow as conjunctiva today, and we'll just follow the schedule that we are doing the quiz. I think we started on October 1 and today is October 4. So today we're going to start the discussion conjunctiva. So the schedule will reflect the quiz schedule. Okay, so see you guys. Bye.